Tuesday, August 21st. So, it's been a day or so since I've said something, but today, it's a beautiful day. Back in the Fiat, but we're heading over to Cody's house because we are going to a special place today. And that special place is called, I think, Osceola National Park. It's either a national park or a national forest, but yeah, so we're gonna load up the dirt bikes and the RZR, and then we've got some more buddies that are coming out with some four-wheelers, and we're gonna go have fun for the day. Boom! Look at this. Got the new sticker kit on. It's got that Lucas Oil theme. I need to get new number plates for the side and for the front, but she's dirty, but look, it looks nasty. It's got it up on the front. See, the number plate, like, it looks good, but it's, I think, the factory one, so it's kind of old. But, so it was a bug. Yeah, it looks sweet. It's a little pain to get on. It needs some heat to finish sinking down, but it makes it stand out. And I like the blue contrast with it. So, yeah, we're about to take the KX and this bad girl out today. We're going to let them rip. My bike's running good now. Carburetor's fixed, fine-tuned. So, full send day. For real this time. We're seriously gonna full send. Hey guys, Cody's awake.
Hey friends.
Look at little Peanut.
Are you cold?
I haven't seen you in the daytime before yet. Oh my gosh. It's like him but smaller and in female form.
So out here. About to get right on the dirt bike.
So what do you think of the sticker kit, huh? Baby approved?
Baby approved. Come on, we still ride your dirt bike, baby. You wanna ride a 450? Ah! She spit up on me.
Ew!
Help!
Here, wait, I've got some shop rags. We'll use them.
Going inside where it's safe.
But they're clean.
Safe.
He's just gonna go get the baby proof ones. It's the same thing. Alright, yeah, so we got a nice American flag up on the wall. And again, we have foreign bikes. I don't think there is an American made dirt bike. Unless KTM is the only one, but KTM's like the only thing that doesn't have a Asian last name like Yamaha or Kawasaki. So I don't know. That's just me.
Trying to jump them? I heard y'all talking crap.
What the fuck? How did it fly away?
That boy probably F'd his girl.
Maybe they were trying to mate.
Mate with this.
Yeah, we pulled up on this group of crows. What would you call a group of crows? Craws. Yeah, we pulled up on some craws, and it looked like they had one pinned down. And it didn't look like they were trying to play with it.
They were trying to kill it.
Yeah, they were trying to F it. F it up. Anyways, yeah, so now we're back in the car, and we're heading over to Brody's, because, can you put your seatbelt on? Thanks. Yeah.
Can you give me like more than a second?
I'm tired of it beeping. Alright?
Why am I coughing? Kool-Aid.
Oh, shoot.
What, bro?
Dang, boy.
How many more?
Hashtag car accident.
Hashtag don't look at your phone.
Hashtag no snapping and driving.
Hashtag help. My kid needs to get to school.
Be careful.
Come on, come on.
He's still looking. Goodbye.
Thank you. Doing great.
Got some cops.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh!
We're supposed to be here at like 8:30, but somebody's truck had some problems with the fuel pump fuse, and Cody's up there doing something. But Now we're about to top off the bikes.
Hey, is this regular gas? You know?
Yeah, 87. Go through. Oh! 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 That's a pole. That way, maybe?
Yeah, sorry.
There's no way we're going through that. It feels a lot bumpy.
I mean, this one was bumpy too. I think that one's shocks are just different.
Maybe it's just the suspension settings, maybe?
These are like
soft,
dude. I feel like you could just whip this one though.
Bro.
That one feels too like...
That's comfortable, because on the turns, I'll like give it throttle and lean, and it'll like...
Not on that.
Nah.
On this thing, I feel like I could do anything. But...
Oh, I put this piece in his truck too, so it didn't fly off. Because it wasn't attached by anything. The rubber piece.
Well, I don't know.
Well, where to now?
Yeah, this nut that was right here is just gone, I guess.
Yeah, it was gone last night. How do you like it though? Does it feel a lot better than it did before?
Yeah. It's not just stick.
Yeah.
Did you clean it before you put the stickers on?
Yeah.
It's just not gonna stick.
Just the edges. I have to heat it, dude. Or I'll just cut it.
Yeah, I like this one better.
That bike?
Yeah. I don't like having that much power. It's scary, bro.
It's fun to third gear wheelie though.
Yeah, you don't have to use clutch, you just go. This one you gotta like.
But that one is like, to keep it up.
Yeah.
It's like easier. I feel comfortable on that bike.
You got that one up the highest so far, though.
Yeah.
The only reason I go down on that one is because I rev out third gear and I don't want to shift while I'm doing a wheelie.
Yeah. That would be so sweet to have.
Yeah, who needs a car?
Huh?
Who needs a car?
Yeah, or a truck. Or a house. You can race a car, but you can't race a house. I mean, you can live in a car, you can't race a house. Right?
Yeah. Right.
Right. We went through it. heavy?
No, I don't want it to fall back.
Oh, send it. Oh!
Ladies and gents, look at all my birds over here. That's gonna do it for this video. Osceola was pretty fun. You know, we had a couple buddies come out and join us on the ATVs. Did have some bad news though. I did flood my bike, so I have to get that fixed because it hydrolocked the engine. But all I have to do is just drain the oil, open up the spark plug, and kick out all the water, which is gonna be fun. Catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time, make sure to go down and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave a like and comment and give me some kind of video idea on something you want me to do. Thanks guys. See you later.